Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Black Ops Zombies. Your primary goal is to survive as many rounds as possible against increasingly difficult zombie hordes. You earn points by eliminating zombies and repairing broken barriers. These points are crucial for purchasing new weapons, powerful perks, and unlocking access to new sections of the map. Remember to always work closely with your teammates, reviving them when they fall, and coordinating your efforts for maximum survival. To truly excel, focus on landing headshots. They provide more points and deal significantly increased damage. A smart strategy is to train zombies, gathering them into a large group before turning to eliminate them all at once. Don't forget to use the Pack-a-Punch machine, which can upgrade your weapon's power by several 100%, making it far more effective. Also, strategically deploy your gobblegums or field upgrades to gain crucial temporary boosts or abilities. Perks are vital for extending your survival. For instance, Juggernog increases your health, allowing you to withstand more hits from the undead. Speed Cola dramatically reduces your weapon's reload time, keeping you in the fight longer. Keep an eye out for power-ups dropped by zombies. These provide immediate, temporary advantages. A max ammo power-up, for example, instantly refills all your weapon's ammunition, which is incredibly useful during intense rounds. Effective communication with your team is paramount for reaching higher rounds. Consider assigning roles, such as one player focusing on earning points and another on taking down special enemies. For those seeking a deeper experience, completing the map's hidden Easter eggs can unlock unique rewards and reveal more of the game's lore. Finally, learning the intricate layouts of each map will allow you to optimize your movement and establish strong defensive positions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.